morning everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhoming Fun. Well, as you know, we're going to be doing something a little bit different on the channel over the next 3 or 4 months, if not more. Yeah, no motorhoming content to come for the distant future, guys. As you know from previous blogs, I've been telling you about my shoulder, and this Saturday is finally surgery day. So let's say we're a couple of days from surgery at the moment, but we're getting all the preparation done, shopping wise, getting the house sorted, getting my clothes sorted, exactly what we need. Got lots of new clothes, jogging bottoms, loose t-shirts, hoodies, etc, guys. So hopefully make things easier for my recovery. So yeah, this is just to let you know, guys. As I say, I do plan on documenting the surgery over the next few weeks, months. We'll do probably some daily updates, sometimes weekly updates, progress on my physio. As I say, some of you know I've had a problem with my shoulder for the last 22 months now, and in the last 12 months it's got worse and worse. So we've been seeing the doctor, having different things done, ultrasounds, MRIs, steroid injections, and they come to the assumption that I need repair surgery. So we've got quite a few tears in my what they call rotator cuff, also a major tear on my labrum, they say. Right, sorry about that. We've got Bo with us behind, and she was lagging behind, and that. So yeah, we've got a little bit of a ligament damage, cartilage damage, and a lot of bursitis in the joint. So surgeon thinks I'll probably be a couple of hours in surgery, doing the repairs, cleaning me up, etc. I'm not going to have a general anaesthetic. It's just a nerve block in my neck and sedation, but apparently he says I won't know nothing about it. I should just be sort of semi-conscious. So yeah, not exactly looking forward to it, but we just want it doing now, we do. So and then the recovery begins. We're going to be in a sling for possibly the first 6 weeks, so no driving. Going to be awkward doing things at home, as in cooking, washing, dressing, etc, guys, but we're going to have to get by. As I say, live on my own with Sky. Sky's going to be a bit of a godsend to me, to be honest, I think, because she'll get me out for some daily walks. So we'll probably do little progress walks from here where we are now. We're at this stunning Wicksteeds Park in Kettering, Northamptonshire. So as I say, do guys follow me on this little journey of surgery and updates and recovery. I do hope we can get back out in a motorhome. As I said in other vlogs, we have got a trip booked for Easter at Uphill Marina and campsite near Western Supermare, and it's one of our favourite locations to go to. So that is my goal at the moment, but if I do need to cancel it, I've got to give them plenty of notice, which I don't think will be a problem being over the Easter, because they can fill my slot pretty easily. So yeah guys, we'll see you all on the lead up to surgery. We'll probably do a little short vlog on YouTube probably the day before, and then as I say, we'll do the follow-up progress on the day and in the coming weeks, months, etc. So thanks again, and we'll see you all soon. Bye for now.